Okay, it's morning time. We're gonna go see if the Chemical X did anything.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, it definitely did something. And there's even like a little bit of fruit or squash coming out.
What?
Right there. Squash is already coming out.
Oh my god. Oh, I guess some of them didn't work, eh? Maybe we didn't put enough or something. Or maybe it's just slow.
That is so cool.
Oh.
What are you doing, Dad? Oh my god, it's a little squash.
Think we can eat it?
I don't know, maybe we should get them to grow bigger.
Well, I just plucked this one, so.
Okay.
Do you want to try a bite?
No, I'm too scared.
Okay, well here, I'll try a bite and see what happens.
Okay. What does it taste like?
Tastes good, but
Crunchy?
April Fool's.
It's April Fool's today?
Yeah.
Oh.
How'd you like Chemical X?
I don't get it.
Chemical X is food coloring and watering?
Well, then how the heck did they go so fast?